Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a recent backup. This prevents lockouts and data loss. Once confirmed, open the app or control panel and navigate directly to settings, then data or privacy. Don't wander through menus. Make sure to identify the specific dataset or profile you'll change, because global versus profile-level edits behave differently. If a backup option appears, export a snapshot now. It only takes a minute and saves you from complex recovery later. You'll now change the concrete options, toggles for collection, sync, and automatic uploads. As you adjust, read each label. Collection controls affect incoming data while retention controls how long it's stored. Once you choose a retention period like 30 or 90 days or a custom span, apply it to the right scope, user or org. Then set sharing permissions, internal only, external partners, or blocked, and verify dependent features such as backups and analytics to avoid unintended data gaps or duplicate syncing. You finish by saving changes and running a verification test. Upload or modify a small sample and watch the flow. Once done, check audit logs to confirm who made edits and when. This ensures accountability and helps debugging. If something goes wrong, revert to your exported backup or snapshot immediately, and then inspect permission conflicts or dependent services that may prevent changes. If the problem persists, escalate to platform support with a clear log of steps and timestamps so they can reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.